Right guys, today I'm out doing some shopping. I am in Bruce Grove where I usually come to do my African food shopping. I have been given permission to shoot here today, so that's really nice. I'm gonna try to keep people's faces out of view. Today I'm here to buy some okra. Okay, so I should move forward. However, I'm going to show you what they normally have. You got cassava. There is cassava. Make that smaller. You got yam. You got cocoyam. You got sweet potato. You got pumpkin. Got mangoes, plantains, different types of African food and fruit. Sorry, my dear.
No, don't worry.
All right, thank you. Okay, it's quite affordable. We've been asked by Anthony Joshua, I think that's his name, to support local business, and that's exactly what I'm doing. Sorry, guys, I'm going to keep you out of this. Don't worry, you're not in it. Okay. Okay, you got all kinds of vegetables here. All right, very affordable. And this is fresh turmeric. I have never bought fresh turmeric, so I probably am going to pick up one of these today.
Fresh turmeric.
Yeah, I've never bought it before. I always buy the powder one. So I'm going to get some fresh turmeric today. And I'm going to, you can see my sister over there is getting some okra. Do you know how to check it? Make some fish with it. Do you know how to check it to make sure that it's good, that you buy the good one? Do you know how to check it? You actually have to give me that. So you go like so. Let me see if I can see this. There. So when you pick it, you have to bend it like that.
Yeah.
And then when it bends quickly, when it breaks, when it splits, that's a good okra.
Okay.
If it just stuck, like, yeah, that's a good okra. You can tell that's a good okra. So I'm going to buy this. That's good.
Wow,
But if it doesn't break, if it doesn't break, that's not a good one. Don't buy it, because when you chop it off, it's just going to be like really hard, and when you cook it, it's going to be hard as well. So it won't come out the way you want it. Yeah. Thanks for sharing. Being part of it. Yeah. And got cabbage and stuff like that. What do you put in your okra when you cook it? I'm not taking your face. I'm just taking your foot.
Make steamed fish.
Sorry.
Steamed fish.
Steamed fish. What is that? How do you prepare that?
So obviously clean the fish.
Yeah.
After you clean the fish,
Yeah.
you put it in oil.
Okay.
Some butter with some spice.
Yeah.
And all the veggies.
Oh, I see. Do you cut the okra?
No.
You don't cut it? Okay, we cut the okra.
Cut in just half.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Thank you so much for that. Thank you. Alrighty, so there we go. I'm going to pop inside also and show you where we get our food from.